Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you sorry, I just had a stroke there. God. You can see by probably the title and this doing a Pop Rocks video. I want to say a few things. Pop Rocks taste really good. They're very weird to me. I like them basically. But I just wanted to make this video just to kind of see and hear what they sound like. So. One second, let me turn my volume back down. There, alright. So, I hope that was good. I'm gonna do another go, just in case. Sorry if it was a little too loud. If it was, maybe put your headphones down again. Here I go again. And now with Pop Rocks. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye.